Let's review fries and mini corn dogs from La Fiesta. But before the review, a fry dipped in ketchup. And a fry not dipped in ketchup. I like the fry dipped in ketchup better. Fries with ketchup are bomb. And now let's get on to the mini corn dog. Mini corn dogs are pretty good too. Solid 8.1 out of 10. If you're watching this on YouTube, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section down below other food reviews I should do. And if you're watching this on TikTok and Instagram, please be sure to like, comment, please be sure to like, comment, and follow. And let me know in the comment section down below other food reviews I should do. I'll see you guys in the next review.